Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with BigCommerce step by step clearly. Begin by opening your preferred web browser. Type in the URL for BigCommerce, which is www.bigcommerce.com. Once the page loads, locate the Get Started button, typically found on the home page. Click on the Get Started button to begin the registration process. You will be redirected to a new page that prompts you to enter your email address. Fill in your email address in the designated field. Next, create a strong password for your account. Make sure to follow any password guidelines provided on the screen. After entering your email and password, click on the Sign Up button. You may be prompted to select a store name. Choose a unique name that represents your business. Once you've entered your store name, click on the Next button. You will then see a series of questions about your business. Answer each question truthfully to help BigCommerce tailor your experience. After completing the questions, click Next again. Now, you will need to fill in your personal information, including your first name, last name, and phone number. Ensure all the details are accurate before proceeding. Once you have entered your information, click on the Next button. Finally, review the terms and conditions provided by BigCommerce. If you agree, check the box indicating your acceptance. Finish by clicking on the Create Your Store button. Congratulations, your BigCommerce account is now created. You will be taken to your new store dashboard where further setup processes can begin. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.